And so next up, we will activate the pull station right here, the Notifier NBG12LX, since we have not done so in a while. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Now we'll reset the system again.